Hmm? Hello, good morning, one and all. Thank you for joining. So, today's topic is something related to backend server. Sorry, not backend server, backend of your Terraform, and we will integrate with this in GitLab. And the main purpose of your backend is your to store the tf state file, and then this file will be helpful when you try to run the Terraform plan in plan apply from the next time. So it will be making you this configuration from where you left in the previous apply. Yeah, okay. So this is the topic. I will be going through the yesterday's some parts also, because that part was too complicated. Too complicated means it's easy, but you have to take into consideration some points. I will be going. I will be going again. Again that covering that point. So let's start this. So what we have done. So what we have done here. This was our code, ec0.tf and provider.tf. Okay, this is your code, and this is your configuration file of GitLab. Okay, so this is your image means it will be using this image to launch the servers in the backend, and that is called runner. That will be helping you for creating a backend server, and then Terraform will be running on that particular server. Okay, so and these are the entry point will means you are saving some environmental variables and setting some paths. So when you run Terraform, so it will not asking for any permission of path related, so it will be accessing everything from there. Before script is important, because when you run Terraform apply plan for the second time, so you should be aware that .terraform folder should be removed, and you have to start from the new like new fresh environment. So that's why I done remove this, and then just for testing whether it's working or not, Terraform version, and then cat /etc os, that helpful for your checking your which type of Linux it is. So it was Alpine Linux. It was Alpine Linux, and Terraform init for normally making the, or what you can do, you can just try to create a different stage as well, like init stage, like this. So you can also mention like this as a init stage, and then it will be working for you. Depends on like how many stage you wanted. You have to just make sure that all should be working correctly. And this is your job name. This is job 1 syntax check. You can give any name, job name. Stage will be which stage this job will be allocated, and the script of means which commands you wanted to run. So in GitLab you have to create a particular script, or the commands is known as scripts here. So similarly you can pass multiple hyphen like this. Let's say cd something dot cd /etc. So like this you can pass it. So I'm just showing you how you can run multiple commands. So like this you can make, else you can pass and here, and will be also working. Then try run the second stage. second job, sorry, not stage, job. These are the stage, and these three are the jobs. So dry run is the second job, and it is dependent on your plan. Like plan is the stage, so the dry run job will be inside plan stage, and script will be Terraform plan. Like I want to run Terraform plan command. Dependencies will be dependencies means which job is, sorry, plan is dependent on which job. So plan is dependent on syntax check. Like I have to check the syntax first, then I can run Terraform plan. I'm just showing you dependencies keyword that will be beneficial when you try to create your own pipeline in your own way, so you can remember all these concepts, and then you can just apply them. Then you have artifacts. Artifact is useful for storing all the plan file, but it is not recommended as of now. I just given you the hint, so you can just try to make the necessary configuration. And deploy will be your third job, and this will be applicable, or you can say inside apply stage, and the script will be running Terraform apply auto approve. I'm using auto approve for yes, for giving yes. Like it should not be asking yes, and it should not be holding your terminal. So that's why I used auto approve, so it will automatically pass yes for that. And Terraform dependencies, like dependency will be dry run is the job here, so it will be dependent on this job. So as soon as plan will be running, then this will run. If plan will fail, so this will not run, like this. So this is dependent, like if this is not running, so why we have to run this? So that's why we have to create a dependency. Environment is dev, okay, environment is dev, and then that's okay. You can pass different environments. I will show you today, like how can not in this. I will create multiple branches and then show you how it will work. Okay, so this was the explanation of previous like yesterday's class, and now what I will do, I will just try to create Terraform backend for it. Backend, like backend is Terraform backend S3 backend for, like I have deployed this code, but as soon as you run, let me just try to tell you what is happening now. So let me commit this code. Commit means it will not able to commit because my key has been expired, so I will have to go again, and just try to create token again, test123. You can give any name, expiration date, let's say till tomorrow. I will be giving every, so I don't have any permission issue. Just copy this. I just use let me give space, so it will be making some changes. Git status, so yes, it's making changes. Git add, commit -m, updating, Gitlab conf file, git push. Okay, done. I thought it will be asking for password, but it's not asking. That's okay. Now if you wanted to go in the pipeline again, go in the pipeline, click on pipeline, so it will automatically running for you. So if you see 3 stages is there. This is your plan created, apply, and then this is your validate. So I will tell you that why we need this backend in this syntax has processed successfully. Dry run is also processed successfully, and now I will be applying this. Now we have to go in the console of your AWS, and then here you will see some instance, or one instance will be created. click on this, so it will be directly going to you the logs of that. It's running now. So job succeeded, apply is complete. Now if you see, I have just applied this and this instance will be coming now. Okay, it's running. Okay, so what if I commit again? I just wanted to give space so I can able to change some here. Git status. Okay, then git add. I'm showing you that what if we commit the second time, like I don't have any backend, and what if we commit the second time. Okay, I have instance ec.tf hello world is there. Okay, hello world is there. Okay, okay, so hello world is instance is there and it's created successfully. If you see here, it's created. But in the second time, if this instance is already there, so I don't want this instance to be created for the second time. Okay, I will be running the pipeline again. Let me get add dot get status. It's added to staging area. Commit -m updating GitLab conf file. Hit push. Okay, let's go to the pipeline again. So it will be running for you. Okay, so dry run is going on. The main purpose of committing the code for the second time is that I don't want the second instance to be created. Okay, I don't want it second, like I'm giving you the example of second instance, but there will be other resources, let's say VPC subnets, etc. So second time will be not that will not be created, that should not be created actually. But here if you see, it's creating the instance again. Why? Because Terraform treating the resource file, the .terraform folder, because we are removing everything and then we are trying to run plan apply command from the scratch. So it's assuming that you are creating a fresh environment, and if you are creating a fresh environment, so Terraform will be creating the instance for the second time as well. So if you see hello world 2 is created, but I don't wanted that. I don't wanted to create the duplicate instances of it. Okay, so how you can save it? And if you use Terraform destroy also, it will not work. If I give you that please destroy this, let me I will comment this. Okay, I will comment this, and I will come here. Okay, I will come here, and then let me comment this. I don't want it. I wanted only destroy. Let's say I'm creating a new stage. Destroy here and destroy here. And apply, not destroy because I have to destroy it. This is okay. This removed. I am removing this, and the name will be destroy. Job name will be destroy job 4. Okay, git status git add dot push. So now if I have 2 instances, and now I wanted to destroy the whole environment, so will that be possible using this command, destroy command? If it is working, so then well and good. If it is not working, so we have to take some other solution, because there will be certain scenario that you have to destroy the environment, not the whole environment. You can think of like you have to destroy one of the resources, and then that will be that will be how you can do it, and how you can do that. So there I'm just giving the scenario, and then let's see. Yeah, so I have these 2 instances, and these 2 instances should be destroyed. This 2 is running, and then it should be destroyed after this if the pipeline runs successfully. Okay, so if you see destroy complete, so if you see destroy Terraform destroy, and it's saying that no object needed to be destroyed. Either you have not created any object, or yet the existing object were already deleted. So they are saying that you have not created any object, but we have created 2 instances. So if you see this is not destroyed yet. So the main purpose of using like this, that if you are using Terraform destroy, so Terraform will be assuming that it's a fresh environment, and it's a fresh environment. So there will be having some issue that every time it's fresh environment. Okay, every time you have to run Terraform plan, apply, then everything. So it will be creating again and again. But at certain time we have to figure out that other resource, like the resources we already created. Like I've created 1 instance, so the second time if I run, so it should be telling that okay, this instance is already there, so you don't have to create. Okay, so that is I just want to tell you. Okay, so what I will do, I will just try to use backend for this. Backend, I already told you that what Terraform backend will tell you. It's creating a particular storage in S3, and then it will be storing all the Terraform state files there. So I will be copying this, and I will be creating Terraform backend.tf file, and let me go to my S3 bucket. Okay, so let me use any of the backend. So I'm using this variable, with this bucket, we paste part to my key. I will use like Terraform, create Terraform folder, automatically it will create. Let me use this as dev folder, and then dev folder and Terraform dot tf state. US East 1 region is US East 1 because I am currently into that only. If in the Terraform folder you will see dev is not there, this two is there. I will delete this. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, now it's empty. So it's empty now, and it's empty. So here I wanted that it will be creating for us, and let me use Terraform. Let me give the name as well, that this is for dev environment, so I will be giving dev. And okay, now Terraform, sorry, not Terraform, git status, git add dot git commit -m, adding backend, push, okay. Now if you come here and job will start running. Sorry, it's I'm creating destroy will not work. I have to stop it. I'm stopping this as well because I didn't use apply. I wanted to use apply, right? So I don't want to use destroy. I will command destroy. I have to use apply only. So like this you can just try to comment this, sorry, remove, cancel this environment. So if you see plan was running fine, destroy, we have cancelled it. So if you see cancelled, go in the pipeline again. Now these two instances will not be in the part of backend, so you can terminate this. That's okay, you can terminate this. I will terminating, or let me keep as it is only, so I can show you, because I have to change the name as the hello world dev, so it will be not conflicting with this. So this has been created, and then let me go to the logs. So if you see here, you will see all the information, like how many time it ran, finished just now, squid, or timeout, which runner you are using. Runner means I told you that you behind the scene is running runner. So this is the runner ID and the blue shared runner. So name of the runner, by default it will take, you don't have to worry. And this commit ID, which committed, like which commit you have mentioned, and then the name of the commit. And this is all the different jobs. So I can navigate to everything, and then you can just try to use. So if you see, as soon as you click on validate, so it will be showing you the specified job of it. And if you go to the plan, so specified job of it offers telling you. And then let me go to apply only. Okay, then let's come here, and then this has been created. Okay, so if you go above, and you will see some name I have just given. I guess hello world dev, this name I have given. So this name should be reflecting there. So this has been reflecting, and then this part is there. Let me terminate this too, because I don't wanted this, and this is not the part of your Terraform backend. So I can terminate this too. Okay, only one will be running. Now what I will do, I will just try to run this again, and let's see what happens. Let me just do single and then commit this. You can directly commit and add this file using -a and -m. And if you go in the pipelines again, so this should be running. Okay, so job succeeded. And now the main part is that it's trying to, when you try to apply this, so it will trying to refresh the state. Refresh the state means it will go back to your backend, will be like TF file is stored in the backend in your S3 bucket. And when you run Terraform apply, so it will be taking the TF file and then going to the AWS account and checking whether the EC2 instance is there or not, like with the name of hello world dev. Okay, so if you come here to this, so no instance will be deployed, only one is there as previous. So that is the beauty of it, like you can control the resources what you have deployed. So this is the part, like I just want to show you like how this backend works, and then how this backend works, and then how it will be helpful for you to making the separate environments, sorry, separate resources, not environments. So what I will do, I will just try to create now, as if you see branch, so you will see main branch you have only, and this is your main branch. Okay, the main branch, or yeah, main branch. So let me create a new branch, div git checkout -b, let's say QA means QA. I will be creating new branch, and here I will be giving QA, change the name in the backend, sorry, in EC2 instance this will be QA. Save this. In the backend I'm just using here QA. Let me show you the backend itself. So if you here if you see one Terraform folder will be created, and then a dev, and then the state file. So what I will do here, I will just come here, save this, and I wanted to create a different backend, and so not different backend, different resources in different environment. I'm just creating a new environment. A new environment will be created. I'm just targeting that particular branch. Like I will be creating new branch for different environment. Git status, this files to be committed, git commit -m adding QA branch, sorry, git push, the current has no upstream branch, git branch, okay, git status, nothing to commit, okay, so let me push this. If you change the branch, so they will be giving you this to push the changes. I just push this, and as soon as you push, so the pipeline will be running, and then now the pipeline will be running for the QA environment. Previously it was main environment. Let me show you the also the code of it. So if you go here, refresh this, and you will see main environment, main one. I am not merging this, I am just trying to show you the different environment. And as if you see, QA is there, QA, and if you go in the ec.tf, so this is for QA. How you can see QA like this. But if you see this will be running, and this also will be running. So not this, it's checking failed. Why failed? Error S3 backend validating credential, the security token in the is invalid. Why it's telling invalid? I have changed something. QA, no. Git checkout main, okay, check it again. Let me check why it's failed, because there is no point of using security credentials. This has run correctly. Okay, so there is an issue in here only. Git QA and okay, backend. Let me use dev only, but dev will not work like this. Okay, I understood now what is the issue. Okay, let me go here. Actually, what is the issue now? When you try to go in the variables of CICD, so if you see, we haven't created the variable here. Why? Because we have changed the branch. So let me go in the Terraform GitLab, and you will be in the Terraform GitLab one, right? And CICD variables, expand. We have created the variables here. Okay, but let me edit this, and you have to mask the variable. Will be masked in job logs required to so it when you mask the variable, so it will be able to export variable to pipeline running on protected branch only. So I will be remove this protect variable, so it is not restricted to single branch only. I can use this to the multiple branches. So I'm removing this protect variable. So when you try to use the protect variable, tick on the protected variable, so it will be restricted to use that protected variable in the single branch only, like which branch you have created, only main branch, default branch. But if you remove the protect variable, so that's okay, like you can use in a different branch as well. So I remove this protect variable and update this, then okay. Now what I will do, I will just try to run it, save this, and then git add dot git commit fnm running QA push. Let me go to the pipeline again. Okay, now it should run, I guess, but yes, let's see. Yeah, now it's running. So if you see, it's validated perfectly, means we have removed the protect variable from the single branch, and then it will be passed to the next branch as well. Now you will see the new instance will be created with hello world QA. So this is done, this is created. You will see one instance will be created with this name, hello world QA. As soon as you refresh it, so it will be creating a QA as well. So we are targeting, we are trying to target multiple environments, and then like this it works. And if you see in the backend, go in the backend as well. So if you see here dev only, but if you refresh this, so you will see also QA folder, and the QA state file will be storing QA environment, so in the QA folder. So we are trying to segregate everything, and then you can able to check it. It's easy now to handle the state file as well. So if you wanted to create a prod, so just to go here and then tell them that git checkout in branch which branch I am, QA, git checkout -b prod, sorry, prod git status, git branch, okay, git let me change this to prod, save this in the backend as well, prod git add, git status, git add dot git commit -m, adding, or let's say running prod, git push. It will ask you to run this. Go back to the pipeline again. So it's in the running process. Now there will no issue of your branch, because we have removed the protect tick from the variables. So the access and secret key will be passed to the next branch automatically. So it's deployed. Check it. So if you see this prod instance will be created, go here and check it. It's created now, and yeah, everything is done. 3 environments are there. Okay, but oh yeah, that's done, means everything is done. We are managing the multiple environments, multiple branch. Now what if I tell you that like only single branch will be running? So what you can do, single branch means you can restrict some jobs, that you can restrict that this script will be running on single branch only. So here if you see this, that if you're running single job only, like this is a job, and in which branch it will be running. So you can pass only in which stage, sorry, in which branch is this will be running. So only, and then the name of the branch. So let's say I'll be creating dev. Okay, and then copy this, dev, okay, dev, and I will be moving to checkout dev. Oh, there is no dev, so I think we have used main, right? Main. Let me go to the main only. Main. Let's check out main. not save. Let me remove this. Let me comment this. This is for which branch? Dev git branch prod, right? So I will be making prod 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 prod. Okay. So it should run, it will run because you are trying to use prod only. I just use prod here. Prod means only I there is no sense of creating running prod in the prod environment itself. So I'm just trying to check it whether it's running or not. So it's running. So it's deployed, and let's check whether what changes it has done. So if you see no changes, no infrastructure match, no changes, because we have used the backend, and you will not see any change here. You will not change here, nothing will be changed. But let me what I can do. I will just try to change something. Let's say I will make this to QA. Okay, this QA, let only one thing QA will be running. Let's say it's running or not, or also this QA. Means what I'm doing, that I'm in the prod branch. I'm in the prod branch, and I'm trying to run the QA branch, QA jobs. Means I just use that only QA. Means if anything is done in the QA, then only will this job will be running, syntax check will be running. If anything done in the QA of dry run, then dry run will be running. And here if you see prod, so prod will be running here. Running prod, because we are committing to the prod only. Let's see if there is any issue or not. So if you see, only one job is there, because we committed to that particular branch. Deploy means this one, because this is your applicable to prod branch only. So I'm restricting one of the job, that only one run only one job, and then other two will not be running. So if you see, nothing is there. If I also commit this, then what happen? QA means if anything committed to QA, if QA is commit is done, so then it will run. Okay, then if you come back to this pipeline, and I think nothing will be running. See, it's not, nothing is running because we have given that please run only one, like don't run any job, because we have targeted that if anything is committed to QA, then it will be running. Now let me use this prod as well, prod only, check this for confirmation again. So only one job will be running, that is syntax check. So that's how you can restrict yourself to run a job. Here you see the one job is there and syntax check. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and it was like I'm just extended this to like more advanced techniques how you can use to empower your GitLab pipeline. So if you have any queries, let me know in the chat and I will just try to refer that. Okay, till then you can practice this and you can try to test in your multiple environment with not, you don't have to deploy or you don't have to deploy this was only one EC2 instance. I'm just giving you the task that just try to create different resources in different environment, and then just analyze your Terraform behavior, like how it's working and how pipelines like working there. So it's just a task that you can just take it and do it, and just then post it in your LinkedIn and tag Future Techno India, and then that's okay. Like you can just try to create your profile there, and it will be working suitable for you. Okay, so that's okay for today, and that's all for today. Thank you. Then please like the channel, subscribe the channel. Then till then, take care and bye.